Hi, what do puppies and kids have in common? My team, Kaelyn, Zeyad, and Mitchell, are going to answer that question at the end of this video.
Our client Bricks for Kids delivers educational programs such as after-school classes and in-school workshops to teach youth about engineering, science, math, and many more. Due to the current circumstances, our client needs to find a solution quickly to clean and dry Lego bricks efficiently without having to use a lot of time and labor.
Our final design involves a casing which houses an inner basket which is connected to a hand crank and fitted with multiple gears which are hidden inside the lid. Lego is placed in the inner basket and the container is filled with a cleaning solution. The user simply spins the hand crank and the speed of the basket increases due to the use of gears. This spinning motion will either wash or dry the Lego depending on the cleaning stage.
The answer to what puppies and kids have in common is that they both have more energy than we can handle. And what better way to redirect that energy than with a device called the Lego spinner?